Hello, I'm Smithy. We've left the Contiki at home because we're at Beacon Fell Country Park, which you couldn't really bring a motorhome all the way up here. And look, I don't know if you can see that, look at that. I'm going to take some photographs around here. I'm using the old Fugi film. Is it the XS1? So as we go along, I'll show you the photographs I'm taking. There's some fabulous carvings. It is a bit wet. It's Lancashire suffered overnight with some terrible rain, but such is life. But it's stopped now. We've got a bit of cover, so we're keeping a bit dryish. Sue's up there with the dog somewhere. It's just took me 5 minutes to set the camera up, so she's probably about half a mile up the road. So anyway, I'll take some photographs and I'll let you have a look round. But what a day to be out there. You could visit here. You'd have to just park somewhere. I'll put the 3 words up as to where Beacon Fell Country Park is. It's not far from Longridge, so I suppose you could park in Longridge and then get yourself, you could walk to here. It'd take you a bit of a while, but you'd do it. But anyway, let's go and have a walk round and I'll bring you back. I'll just show you this carving while we're here. Look at that. Oops. That's art, all in itself. Look at that. What a place, eh? Right, I'll bring you back in a bit. Magical, isn't it? I love places like this. Let's see where Sue is. She's got both dogs. She won't be happy. So I'm going to have to carry a dog and Sue's going to have to carry my bag. What a place. The paths are a bit wet, but well, look. There's definitely no barbecues in this area. I've told you about Lancashire before, all the heathland and everything catching fire, so you'd just be instantly arrested, which is a good thing. It stops everybody messing about, spoiling it for everybody else. Looks like there is some woodland management going on. Chopped a few of the old dead trees down. I don't know if you can see, but this path I'm walking on, it's actually stone. So they have stoned the paths. So it does make it better to walk on, but there's a lot of water around. Oh, there we go. Should have filmed myself falling in one, shouldn't I? You alright, love? Do you fancy carrying my bag? Yeah? How did you get them through all that?
Well, I'll carry her.
Wait that, George.
She'll walk until you get to water.
Now this is what you find everywhere. What a carving. I wonder if I can zoom in on it. I've took a picture of it anyway, but what a lovely place, lovely walk. There's a T-bar and everything. So we'll have a look where the T-bar is. I think you have to pay to park. Making sure you're on. We're using the wireless mic again. Look at that. Nature in its finest. All that weight in a tree. Oh. I'm coming too. I'm coming. Sue's got the bag, both dogs. She's so happy. Oh. Yeah, this is what we need. Days out. Don't we, love? In the summer. Now, it looks like the management they're doing. They've built little. You called them teepees, didn't you? I think what they're doing is they're clearing the floor. Any fires, they're not. It's going to be there rather than everywhere. Isn't it?
Well, if it starts there, it'll spread everywhere.
No, but if that's spread out all over the forest floor, the whole forest floor will catch fire. There's another one behind you, look. There. So there's just bits catch fire, but yeah, the floor does catch fire if it burns. Everything will burn, I suppose. We haven't seen any squirrels yet, have we?
No.
I thought we'd have seen a few grey or red squirrels somewhere. What I find that big snake carving. Why don't we go through there?
No, it was as we come in.
No, it was high up from where the T-bar is. So where we came out the T-bar, we walked straight up that hill and up the top up there. So it'd be yeah, so it'd be across here somewhere. Having said that, Sue, I'll follow whatever direction you give me, seeing as
Well, why am I following you then?
you're the boss of this outfit. I've no idea. Well, I like to lead you into suggestive things, you know.
Yeah, but
Where should we go? Well, I think we should do what you want to do, Sue, but we could go this way.
yeah.
And then you've made out that you've thought of the idea, and when we come across things, it's your idea. Can you smell all the forest, can't you?
Back to nature, innit?
Yeah. I mean, me and you are used to smelling sea salt, aren't we, really?
I mean, look at this old tree.
Oh, Benji, this has gone through all that mud. To climb over his lead.
These poor sheep as well. Right, you're a posh dog, aren't you?
Right, I'll turn this off and we'll try. There's a lot of mud here, Sue. I'll try and find that.
I don't think it's here, it's dead end.
Is it? Oh well.
Next time, listen to me.
I will, love. Let's go back the way you
I mean,
did.
a dead end.
Right.
Come on.
We'll go back the way you say.
I know, Georgia. Go on then. Benji.
It's probably an area where kids sit round while somebody gives a talk. A wise owl. It looks like where you'd sit. Well, why are you tying yourself around a tree, Benji? He's tying himself around a tree. You crackers. Any George? Say hello, Susie.
Hi.
Here, look, bench there. Should you ever sit down? Yeah, it looks like an area. I mean, there's a bench there as well, so it looks like an area where they would talk to kids, maybe woodland management, forest safety. And they have arrows telling you where you can go. Red route, blue route and yellow route. Right, there's a bench. Let's have a seat for a bit. Another owl there. And there is one sneaking behind that tree down there somewhere. Benji's absolutely filthy. Susie, where's George? In your coat. Let's have a look. Oh. What are you doing, George? You're not that soft.
She's shivering.
And he's filthy. Good lad, you'll need a shower after. Yeah, it's a survey marker, so. No, it's alright. Be a nice view up here. It's not far away from Beaconfell Caravan Park. We've stayed there many times at Caravan, haven't we? I think we've stayed there once in Motorhome, in the Contiki. Now that's a good view of Lancashire. Yeah, it's an Ordnance Survey marker post, that. You can see the coast. Let's have a look what you can see when you're on here. Benji's getting wrapped around my legs now. That's where they fixed the thing to it. What?
I believe.
She won't go anywhere.
No, it's in it.
What a view. Can you not? Here, just hold him and I'll see if I can see Blackpool Tower. She'll probably follow me. Let's walk to this post and see if we can see Blackpool Tower. Oh, mind you, I can't see I can't see Isham, so we're the other side of them trees, isn't it? Well, there's the coast. You've got a nice all-round view from here though. There you go, look at that. Owl on a tree, I wish I could carve like that. I wonder if that's been carved out of one actual post. You know, one tree stump. It'd be good if it was. These carvings are absolutely everywhere in this forest. And they do have a visitor centre further down. Oh. I turned you around so you can see who's talking. Yeah, down where we're going there's a visitor centre. From what I can remember, which I think it was last year we came, they had a tea bar, you get food. So I don't know the setup now with this COVID thing. The government's allowing you £10 to have something to eat, so you never know if we can sit in and get food after. We've got 2 dogs, so I don't think we'll be doing that, but how wonderful is this, eh? Just being out with nature. Being able to walk is a good thing, I'll tell you. I'm getting hot as well. Things you got to do to make a YouTube video. You're joking? Well, that visitor centre, oh, there's a big play area for kids there, look. That's a big area for kids to play, is it? Swings or whatever. That's where we've parked the car for free as well, I must add.
Yeah, but we haven't been around all the place.
I think we just go down that path there soon, it leads you to the visitor centre.
We haven't been around all the forest.
No, we didn't find that big snake, it's about 40 foot long, isn't it, carved?
Big orange, isn't it?
Yeah. There's one of the car parks. Obviously we came in Sue's car because you never get the van up here. Although there was some sneaky little laybys you could have overnight, but I wouldn't advise it. You'd leave with more scratches than you came with. Anyway, let's have a look. What?
You can get vans up here, it's just a narrow road.
Yeah, so there is a van there. A transit van, but they do shut it at a certain time. I think it's 7 o'clock at night they close it. Oh. Beaconfell Geology. Let's have a look, the geological timescale. The upper part of Beaconfell is made of the trough sandstone Pendle grit. Below are easterly dipping beds of Bowland shale. Below this is limestone with mudstone, and they're all sedimentary rocks. And they were formed between 286 and 345 million years ago. Imagine that. So human beings have been here for the flick of a finger, and they'll be gone the same way, no doubt. Now that's where we parked last time we came. That's the visitor centre. And the little cafe that they had there, and that's a car park. I think it's a pay on that car park, to be fair. You might have to pay where we are, we might have a ticket by the time we get back. What have you found?
Snake thing.
Is it?
You just see him. Yeah.
You should go and have a look.
There.
Oh yeah, there, look. Yeah.
It's right the way around there to the head.
I thought it was a carving though. There was another one that was a carving, was there? No. Oh no, maybe it was this.
It was this because
I'll have to climb over his lead.
said to you it was near the centre, didn't it?
Yeah, let's have a look. Yeah, it is, that's the big snake, isn't it? I can imagine, I don't know why, but our kids would have gone through that tunnel as kids for some reason. Down there. Let's have a look at the snake. Yeah, it's a little adventure playground for kids. There you are, look. And a crocodile up there. I ain't got my glasses on to see whether I'm in focus or not. Right, we're going to have a look at this T-bar. There you go, there was a couple of hands here, see, maybe, there we are, maybe you could get up there, or up here. I won't bring my van up here, it's a bit big for that really, but anyway. I hope you enjoyed the little excursion at Beacon Fell. I'll leave you the What 3 Words app, you can find where it is. So, stay safe, be lucky, I'll see you soon.